So, you're a military member, a veteran, or a first responder looking to save big on NFL Sunday Ticket in 2025? You've come to the right place. There is a huge discount, but you need to know exactly how to get it. Here's a quick guide to make sure you don't overpay. The standard price for NFL Sunday Ticket can be high. But if you're a military member, a veteran, or a first responder, a teacher, or a medical professional, you are eligible for a massive discount. In 2025, you can get the entire season for just $198. That's a huge savings compared to the original price, which can be almost $400. To get the discount, you have to verify your status through a third-party service called ID.me. It is the standard for military and community discounts. First, go to the official YouTube page for the NFL Sunday Ticket military discount. Second, click the Verify Now button and you will be directed to the ID.me's website. From there, you'll need to sign into your ID.me account or create a new one. Follow the steps to upload your credentials and verify your status. Once you are verified, you'll be redirected back to the YouTube purchase page, and the discounted price of $198 will automatically appear. You can also add on NFL Red Zone for a small extra fee. A quick but important tip for returning users: if you had Sunday Ticket last year and didn't use the military discount, you must cancel your auto renewal before you start this process. Otherwise, you'll be charged the full price. That's it. By taking a few extra minutes to verify your status, you can save a lot of money and get ready for the season. Thank you for your service.